Hi beautiful people, it's Ashlyn from the future. Before you watch this room tour, I forgot to do an intro in Tulum, so I just wanted to do one. This is going to be a full room tour of the Airbnb that we stayed in. I'll make sure to have all things down below in the description box for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see y'all in the vlog. Bye.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad.
Or with Ebbs.
So freaking cute, right?
Ebony's filming at the same time as me. Hey girl. Get into this view. Are you obsessed? Because I know I am.
No, dude. Yeah, they are. I'm gonna go and lay right up there.
Oh, absolutely. Not I'm the normal one, please.
It's not even please.
The kitchen, a vibe.
So cute.
Okay. And then look at these stairs. And we're gonna go up. Now Jasmine is also up here filming, but we're gonna get her feet.
This is your room, Ash.
Okay. Okay. So you go in here. Fantabulous. All right.
Okay.
The vibe is set. I didn't even go to your room.
This is not even Emily's room. I think mine might be downstairs.
Yours is downstairs.
Okay.
Wait, let me get the balcony with you, cause I ain't even think to do all that.
It's so cute. You know, I just be like to sit outside.
Did we get content vibes from this?
I don't know if it's big enough though.
I mean, you could definitely have this room if you want, Ebony.
You don't know if it's big enough? It's got a whole kitchen in it. No, I was just saying I like the balcony.
Like,
Oh,
I said she could have this room if she wants it. My snoring was a joke.
Oh, you saying you're gonna share with Naya?
Yeah, I don't care.
Now I'm in y'all shit.
Okay, here is Naya and Ebony's room, or it might be me and Naya's room. Haven't decided yet.
It's the kitchen for me.
But this is probably a top right now. Now I haven't traveled much, but this Airbnb is giving.
No, it's definitely nice as hell.
Bathroom, kitchen, and an additional room. Everything you can ask for. Now we're finna go by the Jazz and go downstairs to hers. Hey y'all. Eb, you didn't even say hey to your people.
Do you need all the passports or just okay.
Okay, we're finna go into Jazz's room really quick.
Well, yeah.
Thank you.
We finna hurry up before you come in
Your
here.
first time in Tulum?
Yes, my
Yes.
yeah.
Oh,
Come on, right?
welcome to the master.
That's the lights.
All the papers that you use in the bathroom, even the toilet paper, you have to put it in the bin. Okay? Nothing in the toilet.
Beautiful. Now I'm gonna open one of these because I haven't opened the doors to any of the other ones.
Make sure to turn off all the lights.
We got a TV. Jasmine's bathroom. Absolutely obsessed. Content will be happening in Jazz's bathroom.
It is the, you know, I love it outside.
This ambiance, amazing. Ebony loves outside. Ebony, go ahead and tell them.
Let me tell you something. Divide.
Get. Oh. Done. Oh. Set. Very much giving. This is stunning. Content has to be done out here.
Listen to
The ambiance.
how peaceful it sounds. I'm screaming.
Now,
Oh, wait.
content will be done in Jasmine's room.
This?
Her.
This eats.
Outside content, we won't even have to go nowhere.
Oh, yeah. This, in this mirror with all this around you in a swimsuit.
Oh,
Mirror picture.
everybody's swimsuit pictures will be out here. Jazz is gonna have to fight us.
Oh, I'm upset.
This is so nice. This tub content, amazing. And we're gonna go ahead and come through the bamboo. Name a better Airbnb location because you can.
That's it.
No, I'm talking about Jazz.
Oh.
What?
Get in my video too. The birthday girl has entered the chat.
Period.
This is such a beautiful place.
You're playing Brent, right?
Yeah, Naya is.
Oh, okay.
He told us they had speakers and shit.
This
I'm about to
It's so
record.
cute.
Look at just look at the lighting right here, Jazz, for like a picture. I had told Ebony like a picture right here. Okay, y'all. That is gonna conclude the room tour with Eb. But stay tuned for the vlog because this whole weekend finna be lit. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.